This half-day financial workshop has been designed for business owners and their senior people that don't really have a formal accounting or financial statement background, just as a bit of a refresher for them. We also review some of the key financial items that should be reviewed on a regular basis in the business. So we look at this as a financial dashboard with three gauges, the income statement, the cash flow statement, and the balance sheet, and looking at those three gauges to help us monitor and manage the business. The first gauge is our speedometer, which we would say is the income statement. And so we look at the revenue, we look at the expenses, and how much money is the business making. The second gauge is our gas gauge, which is our cash flow statement. And I like this statement: cash is to your business as gasoline is to your car. So if we look at our cash balance now and project out, what will it be in 3 months? What will it be in 6 months or 9 months? And then the third one is our oil pressure gauge, or our balance sheet. And when we look at our balance sheet, we're able to assess the financial health of a business. And it's also something that our banker friends pay quite a bit of attention to. So that's our financial dashboard. Let's get comfortable with those three gauges, and let's use them to monitor and manage the business. We also look at the break-even point, and we go through a calculation to understand what that is. And that is important for us to know depending on the decisions that we're making. And can we improve profitability in our business? Can we use the income statement to help us with our profitability? And then interrelationships. So we have our three gauges. We have our income statement, cash flow, and balance sheet. And how do they interrelate? So if something happens to the income statement, how will that impact the cash flow statement? How will it impact the balance sheet? And then probably my favorite part of the day is we call it the one-page plan. And so it's those items that are important to you throughout the day that you've said, this is something we need to work on. And we put them into a one-page plan that you can take with you and then start implementing at your business. Thank you very much for listening, and we look forward to seeing you at our workshop.